To make this Cosmos inspired flower, I used my mini craft iron to add some details to the petals and then went back and flattened them out a little bit and wanted to add some shading. Both of those steps are optional, but they do make the flower just to stand out a little bit more. I use an eyeshadow palette for this and just some makeup wedges that I cut in half to make them smaller. Then I made this strip. This is a longer strip, but I ended up liking a 2-inch by 1-inch strip the best, folded in half with a fringe down the bottom, and then just rolled that around an 18 gauge floral wire. And for this, just make sure and secure the end so it doesn't come unrolled. Then I did a layer of 4 petals. I started on one spot and then just went around, overlapping them a tiny bit so they kind of nestle around each other. You might have a few little gaps, that's fine. We're not going for perfection. And another reason that we have a little wiggle room is because we add a second layer behind. So gaps will not show up very much. Okay, then we just use this leaf back for the back of the flower. And I wanted this to be nice and colorful, so I made several different versions of this Cosmos flower in different colors. These patterns are available on my website or in Design Hub. This is a fun flower to make, and I want to always share different ways that you can use the petal shapes to make different kinds of flowers. So I am using these numbers in my petal shapes so that we can use the same petals for different flowers, which is a really fun and creative way to make flowers for an endless amount of possibilities. For the shading on this flower, I used Pan Pastels. It was the color that I really wanted to get that golden yellow on the bright yellow petals, and did 4 on the first layer, 4 on the second. This is a really fun, easy, and simple flower. I hope you like it.